Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Henry kalong kabasngosi ba nongdie madan kimtre banet shakite ki jaka. Wala ka jingirap kalong kabashisha Katanat Muda kradap shna parking hamala basyapo bershna kerpang hakmat SBI State Bank of India. Henry Kimtre Banshong namarki it Banshong Hakmat Muda hasurok babun briu bat bayeng ba. Nagaliang kinong mikmat ke sorkar kum uba po lingdo bat uba preston tensong kilaong balada kinong di madan ki kloy banshim ya kejaka bala aida ke sorkar kan khut ke surok kan lait jing penyang pathar bat upat baru unkmen bala lait na ke jing penwet. War kibor ka an kan suk ban penyat dada kinong di madan ki kongo. Henry ka sorkar kamat jing haba katanat pulit kamtip manu ban pet ban manu ban penkiar kali bat briu. Ka jingsha ban penyang pathar hasurok kabu jingma ka penduk jingsuk berkaroi kepar jong kesar. Ka jingdon joginong di madan palat keleng surok kawana jingkulmar bat jing ya upat ba. Kumta habapet na baro kiliang ka jingkerpat ikinong di madan kalong bakin sngot hu ya ka jing angnot jong ka sarkar bat kin shim kabu ya ka jaka bala penkre na kabenta jongki khnang bakandon ka jingkulut bat jingbit jingbiang ha ka sor shilong.
Have been any standoff because we have engaged them in meaningful dialogue and discussions for the past 1 year. Several rounds of discussions have taken place. They have agreed to the conditions of their shifting, and now they are vending on the road, okay, where they do not have proper shelter. We have shifted them and given them also this offer of shifting allowance, 10,000 rupees per vendor, and they will go inside a building where they'll get shelter, they will get facilities of drinking water, washroom facilities. All these have been given to them. And the terms and conditions in those discussions also saw the participation of leaders like from the NGOs. We had the KSU, we had the sngewsih represented by Rabla. They all were part of this discussion. Now, when we come to the point of actually implementing the decisions of the town vending committee, suddenly somebody decides to backtrack. What do we do? So, and also the fact that 200 of them have agreed to shift, what does it imply? So these are things for which you need to do some research.
So what is being said that these 200, most of them are not those legit hawkers who have been there. Those who are there for 10 years didn't even get their certificate.
Anybody can make any allegations. You need to substantiate those allegations. More importantly, all the discussions have been properly recorded. We not only are answerable to the people of Meghalaya, we also are answerable to the High Court of Meghalaya, and therefore we cannot play, even if somebody wants to play games, he cannot, because we have to submit all the affidavit, all the disclosures, all the minutes and proceedings of the discussions also to the High Court.
So how do you react to this, that means the government is moving very quick on this because there's a pressure from the court concerning the traffic regulations? That is why you all are, because this is connecting, right?
It is not a question of anybody pressurizing us, but we have timelines. We have defined timelines, and in fact, we took 1 year of discussions. So there was nothing done in a rush.
Bapal, now the Hawkers Association